Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by rescuing what's usable. Scrape off and discard the obviously burnt layer, then break the remaining chocolate into uniform pieces. Once done, transfer those pieces through a fine sieve to catch hidden char. Place a pan of simmering water under a heat-proof bowl. Make sure the bowl doesn't touch the water, because gentle indirect heat prevents further burning. You're starting to control temperature and remove off flavors, while preserving cocoa solids that are still good. You now focus on consistent melting and texture restoration. Hold the chocolate between 40 and 45 degrees Celsius for dark varieties, lower for milk or white. Make sure to add a small amount of neutral fat, 5 to 15% of the chocolate weight, gradually. This dilutes any slight burnt bitterness and improves flow. While warming, whisk continuously or briefly use an immersion blender to create a stable emulsion and reincorporate cocoa butter. Keep the bowl above the steam and stir until glossy and homogeneous. You finish by cooling the chocolate gently to its working temperature and tempering if you need a snap and shine. Once set, you can repurpose the rescued chocolate in ganache, brownies, or as a sauce base. The added fat masks minor off notes. If the mixture seizes or thickens, immediately add hot cream in small increments while whisking to convert it into a smooth sauce. If the smoky, burnt aroma remains strong after remediation, stop and discard for safety and flavor quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.